Hello everyone, welcome back to the light reading with Golden Girl today. Hi Ghana, hi Wasim, hi Gabriel, hi Anastasia. Welcome back. I'm very happy to see you here again. Okay, so as you can see on the chart that we trade real time together last Monday, right? I draw for you a trend line that appears on a trading chart, and now you can see it's reacted exactly the same, to what I did the analysis. And according to the 4 hour time frame, it's crossed down. It's breaking down from the current trend line, and now it's heading down to 43.18. 43.18 at the moment. And now the current support already break down. Last Monday. And now it's became the resistance, right? The resistance zone. And when the current 4 hour time frame touched to this resistance zone, it became it became under a lot of selling pressure, right? And it's recovered in the short term. Recovery in the short term. However, you can see that it still remain the bullish momentum by forming a higher lows, right? At a higher lows. Anyway, that goes still in the bearish momentum at the moment. However, it's still supported strongly by the buyers, so that is prevent not to drop too significantly. And we also have the higher resistance zone around 43, 32. But it need to break, it need to break out and conquer the 43.22 level first, right? Anyway, that today I still prefer for both buy and sell signal. Not entirely signal for one for buy signal only or sell only. We need to capitalize on the market movement for both direction. All right, so may I know that where you watching my live stream from, my friends? Let's interact a bit. All right, so now it's heading to the level 33.20 at the moment. Hi Harun, UK here. Nice to see you again. So anyone is the first person that's watching my live stream now? Anyone new? Alright, so now it's the overlapping time between the London to the New York session, right? And now it's heading to the current resistance zone gradually. So are you excited to trade with me in today's live stream, my friends? If yes, let's comment. Let's go. If you're excited to trade with me in today's live stream. Let be a good trade. Let be a good trade. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's sell now, everyone. Sell now, sell now, sell now. It's time for you to sell now. So now, get ready. All right, around 18. Sorry. Here you have the first signal in today's live stream. We have the first cell signal. Okay. Hi, Dubai, Dubai. Welcome back. Currently, I have the cell signal on the chart. All right, game set, and good luck, everyone. Yeah, I will bet according to this breakdown area. Breakdown area. All right, so you can have you can have another entry around 19 as well. All right, just heading to 19, and now we reverse back down. Stop loss level is just around 30 pips. Yeah, 43.22. All right, or you can extend it up to 23 because we have this sell level around 19. All right, so you have the second entry around 19. Okay, enter enough signal. And this signal, I will set the stop loss for just 30 pips from entry 18 only. Close the bad position. Okay, close the bad position. Okay, here we have around 10 pips. Profit is running at the moment. So are you in for the current signal, my friends? Are you in for the current sell signal? Yeah, it's just heading down to 18, around 15 pips. Thank you so much, Anesthesia. All right, hang on tight and remember for the risk management lesson, okay? Close the bad position, everyone. Close the bad position at 18. And you still keep entry 19. All right? Closing the bad position. It will help you to keep you calm when you enter any trade. Thank you, Justine. Oh, so December you choose to choose this time to relax, right? Yeah, it's easily to understand. So, warmly welcome back. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to coming back next year. Recently, there is an announcement between the peace, yeah, of Ukraine and Russia. So that's why many investors sell gold, and this gold price is still under a lot of selling pressure at the moment. And it got the bullish rejection when it touched to 43, $42 level. However, we have another support zone around 42. $4,300 level. It's also a psychological trading level for every traders. Still heading down. All right, 15 pips. Can I know what is your entry zone, my friend? Entry, oh, your TP is only 10 pips, my friend. No, okay, so I guess that you're not familiar to my live stream. Yeah, because I usually set the running pips around 30 pips. You can close the part of a trade, all right, and 80 pips. So you can calculate it by yourself. All right, so we have our first need 20 pips for this sell signal from entry 19. Okay, Niyosha. When it heading to 19, why don't you enter one more entry and close the bad position around 18 level? So anyway, that is the middle level. Yeah, middle level. So yeah, it's kind of a good entry for you. All right, so it's near 20 pips. It's just heading to EMA 200 in a 5-minute time frame and just have a short-term bullish momentum. However, the current bearish momentum is taking control. And congratulations to everyone that we had our first 30 pips from entry 19. All right, another successful for our live stream today. Need 30 pips actually. Okay, so if you're stuck for any bad position around 16 or 17, you can close them and hold for the good entry around 16. Sorry, around 18 to 19 only. Okay, so now I guess that everyone watching my live stream early, you also received the gift from me, right? It's just a small gift. And anyway, yeah, congratulations for our victory. Yeah, our victory in the beginning of our live stream today. So, what are you waiting for? Click to the like button for today's live stream video and don't forget to subscribe. Nova Scalper YouTube channel. Alright, this is the big motivation for me to develop my channel better and better every day. Hi Hariba, I'm fine. Thank you so much. So did you enter this trade on time, my friend? We just got near 30 pips profit from my signal. So I wonder if you entered this signal on time. Oh, can I enter? So this time, I guess that is not a good position anymore. All right, so let's wait. Let's wait around 18 or 19, okay? Yeah, just heading to 18, so you can enter small lot to re-enter once again for this sell signal. Okay, you're so excited. So, at the end of this month, yeah, December 13, I will decide, yeah, to organize a mega live stream around 6 hours, and I will have very special gift. Yeah, I will organize a mini game for everyone. So remember, set your alarm, yeah, to join in my live stream on December 13. There's a lot of gifts that I'm waiting for the owners. So, are you excited for that live stream time, everyone? Besides the qualified scalping signal I provide for you, also I organize the mini game question so that it's very easy for you to gain the gift. So I'm waiting for you on that day, okay? Alright, so it's heading back to 19, so you can enter for small lot or re-enter to re-enter again for this entry. Alright, enter small lot, everyone. Heading back. It's heading back to our position. Entry position. Okay, so now the bullish momentum is kind of strong so far, so that's why I advise you to enter small lot if you coming back. Yeah, decide to enter the trade one more time. When the price heading down, it's the time for you to close the bad position. Now it just move around the three EMA ribbons. Yeah, and the range from 16 to 20. So let's wait that the market choose which direction. Around 2 minutes left that this candle will close. However, it's still under a lot of selling pressure from the from the upper resistance zone. It's moving around 20. All right, so let's wait once again. So last time it was pity that I advised you to close at entry, but however, it just sweep the stop loss after that, and um, after it hit the stop loss, actually, it's heading back down to it's break down. Yeah, it's break down the level $4,300 level and heading down to 42.88. Yeah, as I remember. And now it's still lower. Yeah, the price is still lower than the previous entry zone, the sell entry. Okay, according to the trend line that I draw on the 4 hour time frame. So the market always tend to sweep the stop loss. That's called the stop loss hunting, right? So to avoid the that risk, yeah, to avoid that risk, you need to enter enough trading in the VAB signal group to make sure we will have the compensation signal. Hi, Maji. Premium channel for free. Hello, my friend. So are you new for my channel? So if I allow you enter the channel for free, you first thing you need to do is open your live trading account under my link, and also you need to meet the deposit level. All right. So that's only the condition that I will allow you to join my premium channel for free. Okay, so is it okay for you? Now I'm cooperating with Blue Prime and also open Most of my trading accounts with a blue prime broker in Australia. And yeah, they are also a reliable broker so far that I can trust. And if you can open the live trading account under my link and meet the deposit level, I will allow you to join my premium channel for free. Okay, so it's heading down to the lower level around 18. So it's time for you to close the bad position. All right, I would like to repeat once again, close the bad position at 18. All right, so if you want to receive the detail for this program, you can send me a direct message on Telegram and so that I can instruct you. And if you cannot open the live trading account under my link, this is gonna be a small fee, small fee for you to enter for my VIP channel. Share link, yeah, I will share it with you. Please send me a direct message on Telegram, all right? I will send you the any all information about them, company profile, and trading platform, and the spread, the fee, the fee tables that related to this broker, Blue Prime from Australia. So I'm waiting for you to send me direct message on Telegram. All right. And now let's focus back to our current signal. Let's close the bad entry. All right, my friends. When it's heading down, it's time for you to close the bad position. It's not a time for you to enter more. Do prime for the minimum deposit. I would like to discuss for you. I'll discuss this to you. Yeah, as private. As I remember that the range is just around 77 or $900 level. Yeah, so please send me a direct message on Telegram, okay? So I can discuss in detail with you for this matter. Prime is also a good broker, but it's also related to the spread, you know. The broker will have the different spreads. Yeah, the spreads. Some of my friends, yeah, they hit the stop loss because of the spread, bigger than mine. So I met that case several weeks ago when I trade real time on YouTube like this. Just one pips left that it will hit the stop loss on my trading platform. Yeah, open with the Blue Prime broker. However, it didn't. It didn't. Yeah. But for my friends that they trade with other broker that they hit the stop loss. Okay, so let's coming back to the current signal. So once again, as you can see on the chart, it's heading down to 16. So congratulations for everyone for our first 30 pips profit is running. And if you did enter for a entry at 20, 42, 20, that's so far 40 pips, you hit. Okay, so let's close the part of the trade and hold the rest for the bigger take profit. Congratulations! There's a lot of resistance up here. Yeah, EMA 89 and above here is, you can see that gold bronze it's got the rejection many times, at least 5 times. Yeah, when it touched to near to the level 43.21. So that's why I still keep my determination, my decision for this sell signal and set the stop loss a bit higher than this resistance zone. Okay, and this is the proof that we hit for our first 30 pip profit. Heading down. All right, so if you stuck for below entry, close at close the bad entry zone. Okay, close bad entry zone. Congratulations for your next profit taking. It's a bit nervous when it touched to 20, right? However, the bullish momentum is not strong. Yeah, it's got the rejection immediately when it touched to 20, 42, 43, 20, because that is the range near above resistance zone at 43.21. However, most of the time in the overlapping time between the London and New York session, gold price will move in the sideways range, yeah, in a narrow range. However, if we can gain and determine, yeah, identify a good entry, a good position, like this sell signal, I believe that you are got a significant profit. Yeah, 40 pips for scalpers is kind of it's kind of profit that satisfy most of traders. So anyone still in this game? Let me know. Let me see your hand. Anyone? If yes, let's comment. I'm in. I'm still or still. Yeah, just give me the signal that you're still open the position trading with me. Hi, Zaman. Okay, you're still in this game, so good luck for you. Remember to close the bad position around 17 to 16. Okay. Hi, Irfan. Wow, a very familiar friend. All right, so now it's still heading down and having the struggling between buyers and seller at 16, right? 16. Oh, that's such a good entry at 20. All right. So you can set a stop loss around 23. Yeah. So it's only 30 pips for stop loss. So if you hold any bad position around 16 to 17, let's close them. Okay, and hold for the good profit or good position only. So if you're satisfied with today's signal, yeah, I'd like to receive the like. Yeah, let's click to the like button and subscribe me on Nova channel, Nova YouTube channel. And also you can scan the QR code that it will direct you to my channel on Telegram. Okay, every day I will give you many useful information for your trading. All right, especially that my gold trading plan. Yeah, my gold trading plan. All right, 50% hold with break even is fine. Around 20, yeah, at 20. It's for heading back. So if it's heading back to 20, you can consider to lower your trading volume and re-enter once again. So for me, that is still moving sideways. Yeah, when it's heading to officially to today New York session. And remember, more than 1 hour later, we will have the member from FOMC, Waller speak. Waller, Waller will speak around 2:15 p.m. according to France time. And yesterday, gold non-farm payrolls is have the positive, yeah, positive compare with the forecast. All right, and previous event. So this is the good signal for recover of U.S. economy. So that's why gold having a still under a lot of selling pressure. Besides the announcement from Ukraine for the peace. Yeah, peace agreement with Russia. Okay. Anyway, that's most of the signal is to support for the seller. Yeah, for the sellers. Nowadays, the gold price move like in a roller coaster. You can see it, and the it's very very strong. Yeah, showing you strong momentum, right? Straight upward, and show you very strong bullish momentum. However, after that, it dropping drastically, immediately. Okay, so it's like a roller coaster. So remember, stop loss is your seatbelt. Okay, your protective shield from losing. So you can say that in 5 minute time frame, it's still moving on. Yeah. How to say between? Yeah, between the EMA range. All right. When it touched to EMA 200, it's acting like a dynamic support zone and heading up to EMA 89. However, around 19 to 20, this is a resistance zone. Yeah, 19 to 21 is a resistance zone that it continue got the bullish rejection from the market. So everything will have a clearer view in today's New York session. Anyway, that gold cannot break to a higher level. Yeah, if it want to conquer the previous peak at 43.80, yeah, it needs to break out from 43.42 strongly, and it need a confirmation candle like a Maribazoo, bullish Maribazoo. You had a network issue, so is it okay for you to trade? It's kind of dangerous for you if you trade with a scapping signal and your network is not okay. Because when you want to close the position, that your Wi-Fi or network connection do not allow you to do it, and when the price reverse, it's very dangerous for your account if you do not set the stop loss. So you can watch today live stream and wait until the signal is stable again. So it's time for you to trade with me, okay? There's a lot of signal that in my signal group, VAB signal group, so no worry about it. All right, so it's heading down to 15.5. So we have another 5 profit. Yeah, it's total 35 pips profit running. Yeah, like I just shared with you, there's still a lot of selling pressure up here, so it cannot break out right now to a high level. So my main view for me today is still the berries. Yeah, berries. So you need to be patient, and it's nearly to heading back to 20 entry 20. All right, so you're still the game, Zaman. You told me that you set the break even at 20, right? Now you're still in the game, heading around 35 pips profit. And let's see in the 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour, the main momentum is still the bearish. Yeah, the sellers is still dominating the game at the moment. And the market keep forming this bin bar. Yeah, shut a bin bar. Very, very irritated because of the wick. Yeah, both upper and lower wick is very long. So this is the footprint. Yeah, footprint of the big players for liquidity hunting. So this is the signal for you to raise your warning. You are highly alert to any trade you decide to in. And down here we have the fair value gap. So it's easily the market easily tend to fill this fair value gap. All right, if it cannot remain the support from 4,300 level or 4006. Okay, 4006 will be the significant zone for us to observe in today's New York session. 4006, 4306. And the lower wick, yeah, lower wick of 1 hour candle is also the imbalance for buyers and sellers. This is where the liquidity hunting. All right, so like I just explained to you, the direction will be clear in today's New York session. And if you want to trade safely, trade with me. All right, send me a direct message on Telegram, and I will instruct you to join in my VIP signal group. You buying? Okay. So you have the buy position, right? Buy position at 20. So let's wait because you can set the stop loss at 15. Okay, set the stop loss at 15 and it will protect your capital mostly. Yeah, so that's just the market. Okay, there's always the opposite opinion when you trade. Some will follow the buyers and some will follow sellers. So that's trading. We need to accept the loss. So like me, yeah, I sometimes I did mistake. Yeah, and that's it. I need to accept it and recover immediately or the next day. I don't know when, but that the thing, that things, yeah, I must do as long as I still remain a part of my capital. So it's keep on forming a doji. Yeah, it's like a doji at the moment. So you can see the bullish, yeah, the buyers and sellers still struggling strongly at the level 18. Yeah, at the level 18. All right, my friends, I advise you if you still hold any buy position around 20, it's better for you to close the buy position when it heading to 20. So far, it still have the advantage for the bearish at the moment because it's got continuous rejection when it touched to 19. Yeah, the level 19. So it's kind of dangerous for you to remain the buy position at the moment. So that is my advice. So, in my opinion, you can follow or just listen for or just refer. Yeah, I'm very, very happy for it. And that is your decision, okay? Your trading account, that is your decision. You need to control it. And as my analysis, now I still get the support. Yeah, get the support for the sellers at the moment. and the range is very narrowed. Yeah, it's getting narrowed, more and more narrowed. So you can see the three EMA ribbons. Yeah, it's getting narrow at the moment. It's getting closer together. And it indicates that the market is just moving in a sideways range. Yeah, like I just shared with you, around 16 to 20. Yeah, around 16 to 20. And 18 is forming a strong resistance zone at the moment. 18. So you can see that when it touched to near 19, yeah, it's got the rejection, bullish rejection immediately. Okay, so are you still in the game? Are you still in the game? It's a bit boring when the market's moving sideways, right? However, you can keep a good position around 20 or 19. Yeah, that is the good signal and good luck for today sell signal. All right, so any question you want to ask me? Or you already left? Yeah, after having the profit from the signal in my live stream today. So it's nearly 2 week. Yeah, 2 week left that we will celebrate the biggest, one of the biggest holiday in this year, right? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh, good. Yeah, thank you so much, Harun. So I really hope that you can subscribe me on YouTube channel and together, yeah, we can trade real time many times later. Thank you so much. So let me check the calendar. We have only orange new and orange new for FOMC member Wallow Speaks. So pay attention to this timeline, all right? Any specs from FOMC, the market will move in a short significant volatility. Liquidity is hunting all the time, so be careful for when you trade this time near this time. And on Thursday we have CPI year over year, all right, and unemployment claims. So CPI year over year will be more important than unemployment claims. If if this is the opposite new, the direction of the market will refer for CPI year over year than unemployment claims because this news that it will be public every week. All right. And for Friday, yeah, we had two orange new existing home sales and consumer sentiment. All right. So this is just orange new, but yeah, do not let it down. Do not let it down because Friday contain a lot of surprising. We don't know what will happen. All right. So anyway, from today New York session until Friday, always be careful when you decide to enter any trade. Okay. And like I just explained to you, below here we have a fair lookup, so it's easily to feel below imbalance buyers and sellers area down here. But first it needs to break down strongly from 4015, 4315. Hi Babakana 2020. Thank you so much for your compliments for the current signal. Yeah, so did you enter for this trade in the beginning of my live stream today? Babakana, did you enter for this trade on time? Because it's heading back at least 3 times to the entry zone. Yeah, having the reaction at 18 level. And it got the bearish reaction so far. It still remains the bearish momentum. So I really hope that you can join my live stream on time because it depends to the market situation so that I can design. Yeah, I can decide to give you any scalping signal on that day, live stream or not. All right. And our first target is done. Yeah, now it's heading down to, I'm looking at for another at 15 or 14. Yeah, 14. 14 for the trade 14 is my second take profit. Are you still here? Let's make some noise. Let's interact with me. Or not? Next time I will consider again. Yeah, because I consider that after you have profit and our chat box is getting more quiet. Yeah, it's getting more quiet. A bit sadly. Alright, so let's take a view for BTC USD. Okay, see you. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today, Harun. See you soon. Have a lovely day. Today you had a small gift, right? You can hold that signal. You can hold that signal for further reaction. All right, and yeah, for BTC, I just draw for you the channel, right? The channel according to 4 hour time frame. And yeah, you can see that when it touched to this channel, the upper channel, it's got the immediately bearish rejection. And when it's have a confirmation bearish candlestick like this, a powerful bearish candlestick, and now it's still heading down to 88,700 dollar level. So I wonder that anyone take a screenshot for my analysis for BTC last Monday or not. If yes, I guess that you trade with a good strategy already. Yeah, because it's moved exactly to my drawing. Yeah, last Monday. Even though that I do not prefer to trade crypto, however, I can provide you the analysis, okay, for BTC because the financial market is having the same chart, candlestick chart, right? So it still follow the same technical analysis. It's just different a bit for news, yeah, fundamental analysis. And now we have the very strong support zone above here, and it tend to heading down to 83,000 near 84,000. Yeah, we will take a look for 84,000 level. So that if it's have another confirmation bullish candle, so this is where you can, yeah, you can enter for buy position. All right, buy position. If not, if it have another powerful bearish candlestick, yeah, and close below 4,000, 84,000, you can continue to support for the sellers, BTC. And I already note to you the significant support level, yeah, on a chart. So you can take the screenshot if you trade BTC and Yeah, this is the map for you, the strategy for you. Okay, go in position. Now it's just heading back to 17 once again. Okay, so I'm about to end my live stream today. Is there any question you want to ask me, my friends? And so until today New York session, I needed time to wallow speak. Yeah, in today New York session, the market will have the clear trend. Yeah, the market will have a clear trend for everyone. So when the overlapping time from 12 p.m. according to France time, this is the time that the market easily moving sideways. But the range is around 40 to 50 pips. So like today's signal, even though it's moving slowly, however, we still have the profit together. All right. It's heading back to 18. So if anyone you do not have any signal, you can enter small lot to sell at 18. Yeah, 43.18. Sell signal. Okay, so I do not type on the chart. Let's follow my lead. I will share with you directly on my live stream. All right. So when I just advised you to enter the trade at 18, yeah, for the trade 18. Now it's heading down to 17. So anyway, still moving in a narrow range. However, the sellers is still taking the control at the moment. Still taking control. Okay, so I'd like to remind you a bit for the event that upcoming this December. Yeah, at the end of December, I would like to organize the mega live stream, and I also how I also have the mini game for everyone that joined my live stream. Besides the qualified scapping signal. Okay, so I would like to invite all of you to that mega live stream. I will organize that on December 30. Okay, December 30. And for the detailed information, I will continue to upload on my channel on Telegram. All right, and it's time to say goodbye to everyone. I need to coming back and focus back on my VIP signal group. Anyone want to receive more and more qualified scalping signal to trade with me through three major sections from Asian, London to New York session? Welcome to my VIP signal group. Or another option, you will get the free VIP access if you can open your live trading account under my link. All right, and meet the deposit level. For the detail, I would like to discuss with you privately. Yeah, when you send me the private message on Telegram. All right. So today we are very happy with the sell signal at entry 43.19 to 43.18. Okay, and currently we still have a bit profit because it's just near to our entry. However, you can confidently to hold the good position, yeah, for a long time for the bigger tech profit. All right. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining in my live stream today and have a small gift from Golden Girl. Happy trading and see you next time. Have a lovely day.